Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. We see a little bit of price action late on Sunday, not too much though, but some coins are moving. Ether is still in its sideways consolidation. There is not enough evidence that that the triangle, or no, it's not a triangle, but that this consolidation, this correction, that is already finished and completed. So we need to be watching the 1754 level very, very critically. If that level breaks to the downside, then we are likely heading to 1723 as next support. You see how relevant these support levels were. 1754 was respected here and here. And if we come down once more, it likely is going to act as another level from where a bounce could occur. But below that level, we've got 1723. That's the 50% FIB level. I've sketched out a couple of ways how this correction could play out. So it is possible that the wave 4 is already in, okay, so that we had a WXY structure basically here, and that the Y wave already completed here. That's technically possible, but I haven't got enough evidence for that, okay. I did say in previous updates, at a very minimum, to even start to talk about a low could be in, we need to break above that 1808 level here, which basically the previous swing highs. Hasn't really happened yet, and the last rally was only in 3 waves. So we need to see essentially further upside and the break above the wave 3 high at 1854 to unlock one more high towards 1900 plus. $1,900 is also a trend line, basically. We are going to take a look at that on the daily chart in a minute. But yeah, correction still unfolding, not really much to talk about. The yellow count suggests how this correction could stretch out in a larger ABC structure or also WXY. It doesn't matter so much. It's both are corrective structures. What's important to understand is that here in this scenario, actually, this would be a Y wave which is coming down, and then we had the A wave here. A B wave is unfolding right now with a C wave to the downside. In this scenario, support is down to 1660. And what you need to understand is resistance in this particular scenario. So what would be the resistance for the B wave? Resistance for the B wave is, and it's not so reliable because B waves can overshoot, they can do all sorts of stuff. But standard resistance for wave B is between 1809 and 1842, which means consequently that a break above 1843, sustained break, will already shift the odds towards a breakout, okay? And that's expected anyway. So the question is only, okay, are we in this wave degree, circle wave 4, or in the larger degree, and we'll push higher in wave 5 here, circle wave 5 of 3, or already in the larger degree wave 5. That depends on how low we go and how long this stretches out. But for now, either way, one more high is expected at least, as long as 1660 is holding. Ideally, we're going to break out more directly, but I haven't got enough evidence for that. Now let's take a look at the daily chart on the ETH chart here, the daily time frame for ETH. Daily, yeah, and I showed you that in my first video today, so just a quick look here, and this is just for anybody who's new on this channel. This descending price channel is still highly relevant, so ETH eventually needs to break out above this $1890 to $1900 region to then reach 2150 next. What I might change on this chart is at the moment I've got a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup. I might take out one of the 1-2 setups. That doesn't have any impact on short-term targets, but it makes the chart a bit clearer, and I doubt that we have 3 1-2 setups here. Bitcoin is only 1, so I'm happy to allow it to, but 3 looks a bit strange, especially the length of this move. Yeah, compared to this move up, it just doesn't add up fully. Again, it guided us well, but it doesn't really look so likely anymore in light of the latest price developments. Yeah, so I might just change that. That again doesn't have any impact on trend. It doesn't have any impact on support levels, but it may have some impact on targets up there, but nothing major. So it's nothing we need to really be worried about at all. It's just sort of to tidy up the chart a little bit and to align it a little bit more with Bitcoin. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum it is. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.